Yeah, job of the day. Customer had his battery ripped off from him while he was in yoga. So he gets a new battery box, and I need to rewire. This is the battery wiring for the trailer. Looks like they just cut it with some dull cutters. So there's the power, there's the ground. I'm gonna change out this breakaway. Looks like it got super hot and fried, but putting it on now. And darn, it's a group 27. Thought it was a group 24. Back to the store for me. And we're back. All with the correct battery box and battery this time. Come on, battery box, come on. Thank you. I'm going to secure that actually down. Drill some holes and secure it in. Box is secure with 3 bolts. Group 27 battery is in. I just gotta wire it. These are the 2 wires that got cut. I'm just gonna strip them down, put butt connector on. I got some new 10 gauge wire. I'm gonna run it to the battery. I need to find an inline fuse in my truck. All right, everything's wired up. I'm gonna shrink wrap the butt connectors, put a fusible link in there, and I put a new breakaway switch on there as well and ran it into his brakes and then put it to the power. So if this ever gets pulled, metal inside the breakaway will touch and it'll activate the brakes. All right, we got lights in there. Everything but reverse lights is, or reverse lights is blinking. Everything else looks good. So marker lights, good marker lights. Driver's side front, good marker lights. Driver's side rear, good marker lights. All the way down, left turn, good. Right turn, good. Back to marker lights, good, good. And this one doesn't have a lens, but it works. Perfect. I've got 12 volt power on, fuse is out. I'm getting good 12 volt to the battery. Terminals getting tightened down, nice and tight. Battery box cover going on. And I cut some new strapping for him. But I also secured the battery box to the frame this time. Did I flub it? I did not. Cool. Battery is on. Cut off excess. And we'll go right there so he's got some stuff to grab onto. We'll use our heat gun to heat the ends. How you doing, sir? End of the strap is heated up so it doesn't fray out. That's tight. I did get a bike lock. Don't know if it'll work for him. He requested a bike lock, so I'm gonna try, see if this will work. Just a little bit of stoppage from a guy who wants to take a battery. Just a little bit. I don't think it's gonna be, yeah, I would need to have to adjust it. Unfortunate. Where else can I run that through? Got 4 feet of it. It might be screwed on this one. Yeah, I think I'll just have to send him a link to a adjustable one. I thought this one might work. But at least I have a bike lock now. Alright, this job's done. Put a group 27 on the front, put a group 27 RV box in, rewired everything, shrunk wrap his connection. I put a new breakaway on there for him, wired it in. He's got a 30 amp fuse off of his battery now. Everything will run. Left turn, right turn work, all marker lights work. He's good to go. I'm on to the next.